Hello, Mr. Andre. Now we would like to present our business plan, Hire Up. Hire Up Company is a service business that gives people to share about some skills and knowledge from professional for those people who want to learn something new. First, our vision is to make Hire Up the best online service platform and make purchasing online service can become a trend in Indonesia. We want Hire Up can be a platform for many people to learn something new, and we hope that our online service can become a trend in Indonesia. Of course, we need some mission to make this happen. Those are decrease unemployment rate caused by global pandemic by providing employment to freelancer, improve the national economy that is currently weakening, and making Hire Up platform useful and impactful for third parties, consumer, freelancer, and also the Hire Up itself. Next, I will explain about our SWOT. There are some of our strengths. The first one is we give opportunities for many freelancers from many type of fields. They can make their own class in Hire Up. Next, we can operate everything from our home. Both freelancer and us, we don't need to meet for anything. Everything can be done online. And the last is we give a chance for them to gain more income in this pandemic. But our weaknesses are there will be a risk for people who are using our freelancers such as low quality of worker, and there could be a miscommunication between consumer, freelancer, and company. And as a startup company, we can prove our credibility to our client. Besides that, our opportunity is in this pandemic, many people work from home and some of them had lost their job. And our threat is there are some platforms who also provide job for freelancer and we could get overwhelmed by position demand for freelancer.
So, before deciding on which marketing strategy to use, we must first analyze the market. One of the ways is by stating out our target audience so that we can analyze them and know their dislikes and likes in order for us to enhance our marketing strategy later on. So, we decide that our target audience will be first investors, second teenagers, especially stay-at-home teenagers who are planning and want to learn something new. And next will be freelancers workers, especially those who experience a decrease in their income due to this pandemic. Now we will be mapping out our competitors, and these are our top 3 competitors due to their high demand in the marketplace, which are freelancer.co.id, Goban, and Sribulancer. Not only that they are high in demand, but they are also affordable. After analyzing the competitors, now we can know ways to be different from them. So, we will now be discussing about the marketing strategy used in order to achieve our marketing objectives, which are brand awareness since we're still new and attract investors. This can be done by first, there is collaboration with freelance workers, with influencers who happens to obtain skills like makeup, photography, and others, in order for them to support and promote Hire Up. Next will be search engine optimization. This is very important in order for platform like Hire Up to grow digital presence. And moving on, there is to engage. A good engagement with the target audience is needed in order for us to obtain feedbacks and insights from them. This way, we can now know how to satisfy and meet their needs. Then we must somehow make our platform memorable so that they will always remember Hire Up. So we decided to make a slogan like Hire Up will fire up your day.
So regarding Hire Up is still unfamiliar to people's ears, we need to make our brand become more memorable. And in order to become memorable, one of the key is the selection of the color palettes. So the first one is white, it represents simplicity and purity. And the second one is gray, which represents formality and professionalism, which are the key of Hire Up service. In addition, this color also could make our design looks more neutral and also formal. Then brown, which represents honesty and simplicity. And these are what we want to emphasize on our brand. And then this color is also used to bring warmth and wholesomeness through our application design. And lastly, black, which makes our design become more classic, more bold, and makes our design feel edgier and also elegant. Another important element of a brand is font. We pick fonts that really match our brand purpose. The fancy look that Foga gives is really suitable to our target market, which are the youth and young adults. And Abaya Libre Regular They are more too easy to read and it's perfect for various age. These types of fonts are also have simplicity and elegant at the same time. Move on to our section design. So firstly, these are our login page. Secondly, this is our home page. Then this is our result page. And lastly, this is our freelancer profile.
So move on to the website design. We want to make it simple but details. We also want to make sure it is easy to use by people. So this is our design for about us. This one is for the instructors and the detail about the instructors. This is for our course and the detail of our course. And this is our trial class and this is our contact us.
Okay, organizational and management of Higher Up. First, we will introduce our advisory board members. Vini Arista as our CEO, graduate from Harvard School of Business with majoring in management business and served as general manager at Microsoft for 3 years. Fun fact, she was initially appointed for 2 years, but later her contract was extended in reward to her excellent performance. She was the originator of the idea Higher Up and leading and in charge of the entire Higher Up developments. Ivory Giovanna as our CMO. Graduate from University of Indonesia in marketing and worked as marketing team for more than 4 years at Nike and well experienced with digital marketing and branding of product. She was the one who described the market that matched Higher Up and create strategy that suits for them. Our CHR, Veronica Talia, graduate from London Business School with majoring in organizational and HR strategy, and worked as HR managers for 4 years at Unilever. She is the person who gives advice to CEO in the recruitment process of other members. She is also responsible for recruiting for freelancers, planning the training programs, and making legal contract with freelancers. Gladys Agatha is in charge of the managerial operations. Bachelor from London Business Schools, majoring in business, and experience as a operational manager for more than 4 years. She is the right hand of the CEO, also take major role for designing the Higher Up websites. She also preparing procedures for the running of Higher Up. Last, let's meet our CFO, Carolina D. Bachelor from Boston University, majoring in accounting, and worked as financial advisor of big company for 3 years. She plays big role in managing all financial and budgeting issues for the first years of Higher Up, and now she is preparing financial forecasts for the futures of Higher Up. Let us explain the recruitment process of the freelancers. There will be two types of recruitment process. First, for the new or low skill freelancers, we're going through screening process, also looking by their portfolio. Second, for high skill freelancers or who already had experiences and known by many people, for these freelancers, there will be a team from our company to surface and approach directly to them. Okay, and here lists our 4 main criteria as freelancers that Higher Up looking for.
Now, I'm going to talk about our financial plan. Next. Our most prominent financial plan is that we aim not to carry out debt in the first year. Although, at the beginning of opening this business, we will have liabilities of 28 million rupiah. In the following year, we will have the same amount of assets and equity, around 393 million rupiah. As a new business, the assets owned by Higher Up Business are quite high compared to other website businesses. Our cash flow will increase every month because there will be more and more expenses for employee salaries. The salaries expenditure will be the biggest expense for Higher Up Business. Our cash flow in the first year will be around 112,800,000 rupiah, whereas in the second year, our cash flow will increase to 444,715,000 rupiah. Our revenue projection have been accurate so far because it is based on research on website and analysis of similar businesses. Based on our revenue projection, The revenue of HireUp will increase every month until there is a finally break-even point that is expected to occur in June 2021. So, this is the break-even point projection that will occur in June 2021. So, thank you so much, Mr. Andre, for your time and attention. We really appreciate for you to listening and watching our business plan presentation, and we hope that this business plan can meet your expectation. Thank you.